Okay, so the Apple Watch is, in my opinion, the perfect device for tracking calories. And in this video, I'll show you how to see the calorie average on your Apple Watch. The whole process is pretty simple. All you have to do is to open up the fitness app on your Apple Watch. It's the one that looks like the fitness circle, so tap on it. When you get inside, of course, you can see all the info and everything. There are 6 pages inside this app, represented by the little dots in the bottom left corner. So I want you to be at the top one, like the very, very first page, where all 3 circles are displayed. On this page, you have a button in the top left corner looking like a graph, so tap on it, and this will show you the weekly summary. When you scroll down, you can see the daily average as well as the total calories burned and even more information below. There is one more button in the fitness app in the right corner. That one is for the workouts. Inside there, you can see your averages for the workouts you do and see the tendencies. So yeah, pretty useful stuff. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you.